What is the average height of the Palani Hills? A. 1,600 meters. B. 1,100 meters. C. 2,000 meters. D. 1,645 meters. The correct answer is D. 1,645 meters. In a chemical reaction, what is the substance that is formed called? A. A catalyst. B. A solvent. C. A product. D. A reactant. The correct answer is C. A product. What percentage of the total world's population does North America have? A. 7.5%. B. 2.5%. C. 10.0%. D. 4.77%. The correct answer is D. 4.77%. What is one significant parameter mentioned for ensuring equality in society? A. Economic prosperity. B. Military strength. C. Historical tradition. D. Respecting diversity. The correct answer is D. Respecting diversity. What is another name for the left atrioventricular valve? A. Aortic valve. B. Bicuspid valve. C. Tricuspid valve. D. Pulmonary valve. The correct answer is B. Bicuspid valve. Which continent is the southernmost and fifth largest in the world? A. Africa. B. Australia. C. Antarctica. D. Asia. The correct answer is C. Antarctica. Which new tribes rose into prominence after the Rig Vedic period? A. Bharats and Pasus. B. Kurus and Panchalas. C. Guptas and Huns. D. Tritsis and Turvasas. The correct answer is B. Kurus and Panchalas. Who was ordered to advance company armies to Tirunelveli in May 1799? A. Robert Clive. B. Lord Cornwallis. C. Major Bannerman. D. General Napier. The correct answer is B. Lord Cornwallis. Which of the following is not typically attracted by a magnet? A. Aluminum. B. Steel. C. Nickel. D. Iron filings. The correct answer is A. Aluminum. In which sea is the Great Barrier Reef located? A. The Tasman Sea. B. The Timor Sea. C. The Coral Sea. D. The Arafura Sea. The correct answer is C. The Coral Sea. Which term describes the period of development from conception to birth? A. Gestation. B. Lactation. C. Ovulatory phase. D. Follicular phase. The correct answer is A. Gestation. When the reflecting surface of a mirror is curved outwards, what type of mirror is formed? A. Convex mirror. B. Plane mirror. C. Concave mirror. D. Parabolic mirror. The correct answer is A. Convex mirror. How is coal typically extracted from coal beds below the Earth's surface? A. By decomposition. B. By heating. C. By hand picking. D. By explosives. The correct answer is D. By explosives. What type of image does a terrestrial telescope provide? A. Diminished. B. Magnified. C. Erect. D. Inverted. The correct answer is C. Erect. What activity involved going up and down? A. Running. B. Sliding. C. Swinging. D. Seesaw. The correct answer is D. Seesaw. What is the ultimate acceptor of electrons during oxidative phosphorylation? A. Oxygen. B. ATP. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Water. The correct answer is A. Oxygen. Which component allows for the opening or closing of an electrical circuit? A. Switch. B. Resistor. C. Cell. D. Connecting wire. The correct answer is A. Switch. If all bonds between carbon atoms in a hydrocarbon chain are single bonds, what UPAC suffix is used? A. Hene. B. Ane. C. Ene. D. Ol. The correct answer is B. Ane. What percentage of land is in the northern hemisphere? A. 61%. B. 81%. C. 39%. D. 50%. The correct answer is A. 61%. Which component of a screw gauge has a fixed stud? A. The frame. B. The movable stud. C. The thimble. D. The head scale. The correct answer is A. The frame. Which of the following is an example of an abiotic factor? A. Plants. B. Bacteria. C. Water. D. Animals. The correct answer is C. Water. What is the definition of chauvinism? A. Lack of patriotism. B. Extreme patriotism. C. Average patriotism. D. Internationalism. The correct answer is B. Extreme patriotism. The condensation of which cellular component forms the elongated head of a sperm? A. Nucleus. B. Cytoplasm. C. Acrosome. D. Mitochondria. The correct answer is A. Nucleus. Which substance acts as an oxidizer in liquid propellant rockets? A. Liquid hydrogen. B. Ozone. C. Ethyl alcohol. D. Hydrazine. The correct answer is B. Ozone. What natural elements are included in the definition of land related to atmospheric conditions? A. Industrial factories and urban centers. B. Buildings and infrastructure. C. Climate and weather. D. Agricultural produce and livestock. The correct answer is C. Climate and weather. Which of the following is a reason why physical activity is important? A. Decreasing growth and development. B. Weakening muscles. C. Lowering athletic skills. D. Increasing growth and development. The correct answer is D. Increasing growth and development. Meiosis is also known as what type of division due to the chromosome number reduction? A. Duplication division. B. Expansion division. C. Reduction division. D. Replication division. The correct answer is C. Reduction division. Where are the symbols and formulae for each of the products written in a chemical equation? A. On the right-hand side, RHS of the arrow. B. Above the arrow. C. On the left-hand side, LHS of the arrow. D. Below the arrow. The correct answer is A. On the right-hand side, RHS of the arrow. What term is now used to refer to Mendel's factors? A. Genes. B. Proteins. C. Alleles. D. Chromosomes. The correct answer is A. Genes. How are services provided by local bodies divided? A. Ancient and modern. B. Legal and illegal. C. Central and state. D. Obligatory and discretionary. The correct answer is D. Obligatory and discretionary. How did you score?